What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check the ZEBRONICS Bluetooth speaker. That's the model number. You can see Zeb Knockout. Well, Knockout is the model number. That's nice. And the box is a little bit of damage in the transport. They packed it just like this, I guess. So that's the speaker. That's how it looks. And on this side, some specs are there. You can see 10 watt of output, memory size 32 GB, and charging time 4.5 hours, playback time 10 hours, net weight 338 gram, which is very light in weight. So here on this side, you can see manufactured on 7/20/24. And there's a price 1,799, which is pretty huge, but that's not the selling price. Well, I'm going to tell you the selling price later in this video, so stay tuned till the end. So let's open this box, as the box is already damaged, so let's get rid of it. Go away, and that's the speaker. All right, here you get this Type-C charging cable and a QR code for user manual. Well, that's kind of useless, so let's open the speaker. That's the speaker itself. Very nice. And that's the rubber finish, anti-slip design at the top, all the sides, and here on both the sides too. Here the Knockout is written, and the front you can see metal grill is there, and you cannot see the speaker driver because the RGB lights are there right behind this metal grill. A white foam kind of thing is there, which illuminates the RGB lights. So that's why you cannot see the speaker drivers and passive radiators or anything inside this grill. So at the top, that's the buttons, play, pause, and I think that's for RGB lights too, minus, plus, and mode. And at the back, as usual, the Type-C charging port, on-off button, an USB, and place for TIFF card. So that's it. Pretty compact, small design, but 10 watt of output, which is kind of huge. So we're going to check that out. So let's turn this thing on.
ZEBRONICS, always ahead. Bluetooth mode.
Wow. As you can see, nice illuminating light. So let's see if we can change this. Okay. Wow. Nice. So that's the same button, the play, pause, and the RGB lights controlling button. So you gotta press the button, press and hold, then it's gonna change one by one. Press and hold for a few seconds, it will change, then release it, then press again and hold. So it works like that. And if you just press once, that will do the play, pause option. So now let's connect this thing to my mobile phone and check the sound, which is very important.
Zeb Knockout is now connected.
It's connected to my mobile phone right there, and I'm gonna play some songs. Let's check the sound out.
Until I hit the ground.
But the sound, it's quite good enough, but not like the other speakers I have unboxed before. The sound is quite okay, but the point is this thing is lacking the bass, which I like the most. This thing is though saying the 10-watt speaker, but I'm not getting that kind of punchy bass like that. I think this thing is not having any passive radiators or no air passing port I can see, so that's why. And the drivers are not of very high quality, I guess, so that's why I like the bass, as I told you. So nowadays the speakers they are making, even Amazon Basic, they're making very good speaker with good bass, but this thing is lacking the bass. Though the RGB lights are very good to look, but light is not enough for a speaker. What you need is the sound quality and of course the bass, which is I am lacking in this thing. So anyway, let's check some more songs. So this is another song with like huge bass, I guess, but this thing is having like a distorted sound, or maybe the song have the distorted bass. I don't know, I'm not sure, but this thing is not giving the bass but the distorted one. So let's check another song. So that's the sound of it without the bass. So if you don't like that much bass from any speaker, Bluetooth speaker, then you may like this thing. But basically, as I like the bass, so that's why I'm not liking this thing very much. And now let me tell you the price of this thing. The price is $999, and for that much price, like around 1,000, you may get better speaker than this one. So that's it. That was the unboxing and testing video of this ZEBRONICS Knockout, which I didn't like much because I don't make, as you know, I don't make any paid videos or anything like that. I simply buy speakers and I tell you about the speaker, which one I like and which one I don't like, exact details of the things, which is good or bad, everything. So I'm telling you, this one is like good for non-bass lover, or maybe you can ignore this thing. So that's it. As you know, you will get only genuine review of the speakers and all on this channel. So that's it. That's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other channels too. We'll find the links in the description below. And also, if you want to donate anything to my channel, you'll find the payment links in the description below too. Easy way you can pay whatever you like. So that's it. That's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.